Proyección.
Progreso.
Compromiso.
Cercanía.
La ambición.
Cualidad.
Futuro.
Compañerismo.
Profesionalidad.
Tesón.
Oportunidad.
Líder.
Salud.
Esfuerzo. Familia en filosofía.
Trabajo de toda mi vida.
Sacrificio y esfuerzo.
I'm Renny Thomas. I'm one of the salesmen here in the UK for CMZ. I've been working with CMZ for about nearly 7 years now. Any customer that bothers to look underneath the covers instead of just buying the name, anybody who wants to look always buys at CMZ. Always. And when they buy one, they always buy more. When they put their trust in what I say and they finally buy a CMZ and they get it, they are very, very satisfied with the machine.